Good day everybody. In this demo the SAP S/4HANA's accounts receivable, accounts payables and balance sheet or income statements overview will be illustrated. Tricentis Tosca is used to automate the above-mentioned use cases. There are 3 test cases such as account receivable, account payables and balance sheet or income statements. I am executing the test cases through Tosca. The application was launched, the login was successful. It is navigating to Sales module, the Sales Management overview is clicked. Here incoming sales order module is clicked, and the data of the module is displayed. Here the data from 2020-2021 are displayed. Automation test script navigates to the incomplete sales documents module, and the corresponding data are displayed. Now the navigation takes place to backorder items module and its data of top 4 critical plants are displayed. Navigated to the profit margin module and the data with bar graph and profit margin of 42.8% is displayed. Now the blocked sales order module is clicked and its data are displayed. Here the overdue sales order module is clicked and its associated data are displayed. Now navigation to the Accounts Payables Overview tile is clicked. The Blocked Invoices Chart View module is clicked and its corresponding data is displayed. Now the Cash Discount Utilization module is clicked and bar graph with the lost cash discount and taken cash discount details are displayed. Automation test navigates to the Due Invoices Free for Payment module is clicked and data with total amount 102,582,552.97 is displayed. The Invoices Blocked and Supplier Master Data module is clicked and the data with total amount 163,600.00 is displayed. The Balance Sheet or Income Statement tile is clicked. A search is performed and all accounts such as the assets, liabilities and equity, income statement and P&L results are displayed with its associated data. The Balance Sheet tab is clicked and 14% increase in the balance sheet when compared to the previous year current month is displayed. The Profit and Loss tab is clicked and 39.6% decrease in the P&L result when compared to the previous fiscal year is displayed. These are details for the execution results. This is bar and bar 3D graph generated and it is details. In this demo the SAP S/4HANA's accounts receivable, accounts payables and balance sheet or income statements overview have been illustrated and this was automated through Tricentis Tosca. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching.